So what's up guys, a particular network right here sent me $121 just by installing their app on my phone. Yeah, I know you might be thinking it sounds too good to be true, right? But don't worry, the website is actually created for the lazy people out there, the people that don't want to work at all, okay? This website is a big advantage for you to start making money online, okay? Even if it's your first time using the internet, you can still make money from this website because it doesn't require any experience to get it started. Even if it's your first time, you can still do it. It doesn't require your knowledge. All you need to do is just to click on a button and leave the rest for the website, okay? And don't worry, your location is not a barrier. No matter where you come from, be in America, Africa, Asia, Europe, Oceania, you can still get started from this website and start making money right away, guys, okay? And this website pays out through PayPal and Bitcoin, so you don't have anything to worry about. If you don't have PayPal, you must have Bitcoin. If you don't have Bitcoin, you must have PayPal. Okay, so your money is not going to stuck in from this website. Once you make your money passively, you're going to withdraw your money passively, alright? And this website that we're talking about is called iProya. Hey, don't click off. If you've been to this website before, don't click off. This website is made for the lazy people, the people that don't want to work. If I can make this money without doing anything, you too can do it, okay? So don't click off. I don't know if you've seen the website before, but stick around, there's something good for you in this video, okay? And let me explain to you how it works in 4 steps, okay? Install the app on your device you wish to use and connect them to the internet. Run the iProya app, which securely shares your internet connection with no access to personal data. And this particular network, iProya, use your connection that you are sharing to gather bits of information from the internet. And companies use these gather bits for various services. Then you are get paid for this task. These websites are the people that will be running the task for you. And the main work for you to do, you just let your smartphone or your computer to run this app. Just install it on your phone and let it run passively. That is basically how it works, alright? How much you can expect to earn from this website depends on you. Depends on how many gig you're willing to share each day. I myself cashed out $121. Remember, I didn't put in any work, okay? I didn't carry out any work. I just let the app to run on my phone. That is it. So if you are willing to share 8 gig each day and you let the app to run for like 16 hours, you'll be making 48 a month. The more data you share daily and the more time you let it run will result to more money that you're gonna make. Alright, and everything is automatic. Your main focus is just to install this app on your phone, install it on your laptop, and let it run. That's all. Okay, you don't need to be checking it, you don't need to be sending message. So the more you share in each day, and the more time you leave it to share, will result to more money that you're gonna make from your website. Alright, now that you know what this website is all about, let me walk you through how you can sign up. To do that, you need to hit on this button right here that says sign up, and you will be on this page. It's pretty straightforward. All you need is just your email address here, create a password, and repeat the password. Hit I'm a human and hit on sign up. Alright, but if you have your account already, you just click here and log in. I have my account already and I'm not going to create my account again. And after that, they will send you an email. Check it on your inbox, check your spam folder for verification. When you verify your email, your account is going to be created automatically, okay? Now this is the home page. This is the dashboard. Yours is not going to look like this, obviously. Everything is going to be 00, okay? The first thing I would like you to do is to come to this tab right here where it says download. Click on the download button and you will be on this page, okay? Now I will show you how you can install it both on your phone or your PC, okay? To install it on your phone, you will click on this button right here where it says Google Play, okay? This is the app here. When you click on it, this window here is going to pop up. You'll be asked to select your device right here. Select the device and you will hit on install. It's going to be installed on your phone automatically, alright? But if your phone is not showing up, you don't want to do it this way, you want to do it manually, go to your Play Store and type iProya. It's going to be the first that's going to pop up, okay? And this is it here. Click on it and install it on your phone, okay? These are the 2 ways that you can install it on your phone, alright? If today is your first time here, welcome to my channel. My name is Wilson. What I do on my channel is I carry out a lot of research on websites that promise to pay money. And whenever I find something that is working for me, something that I've tested out, and at the end it has proved to work for me, I will come to my channel here and make a video around it for you so that you too can go out and test it out yourself. So if you feel you want to be part of the family, you can subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload a new video on how to stay at home and make money like this, you will definitely be the first person to get notified. And when you're the first person to get notified, you're going to be the first person to watch it, be the first person to test out the website, and be the first person to also make money from the website. Alright, once it is installed on your phone, search for it to check it out. Alright, here is mine. Click on it to see it. This is going to be the front page, okay? Hit on the start any now. You'll be asked to put in your credentials, put in the account details of the account you created before, okay? Hit on the login, agree to the terms. Yours is going to be like this, okay? But everything is going to be 00. this shared internet is gonna be like this also. You have to click on it so that you can start running. You can see a button pop up, so that's how it's gonna work. That's for the full part. Now let me walk you through to the PC part, okay? For the PC, it's pretty straightforward. For the 64-bit, you have to download it here. While for the 32-bit, you have to click on this button. But I have mine already. I'm not gonna do that today. Once you download it, you will have it at the top right corner of your PC, okay? It's gonna be there. This is how it's gonna look like. Even after I've made $121 from this website, I still let it to run. Okay, because it's not even disturbing me, it's not slowing down my network, I'm not putting any work to do it, it's not in form of big advantage to me. That is the reason why I still let it run. Okay, yours is gonna be 00, but it's gonna be like this. You don't have to do anything here, you just the dashboard. Alright, now that you have downloaded it, just leave it, you don't have to do anything again. This window here is going to be in the background. It's not going to slow down your internet connection, it's not going to be disturbing your PC or your phone. Just leave it like that and let it run on its own, and you will be seeing the traffic sold and the balance that you've made. More you share your data, more money you're going to make in return. Alright, for you to make more money from this website, there are 3 factors to be considered, which are the location of your IP address, unique IP address, and your internet speed. And it's even stated here that right now certain locations are more in demand than others, so some locations will be more profitable. However, we accept everyone who wants to share their internet. And for the unique address, it says you also earn more if you run our application on more than one unique residential IP address. Alright, in other words, the more unique IP you can use, the more you will earn. Okay, and the third factor is your internet speed. It's essential for a client to have a good page from the IP Royal network. The faster your internet connection is, the more you're able to share and earn more. Alright, maybe you can change your location, and maybe you can also change your internet speed, but you can always change your IP address. Alright, because that was the same way how I maximize my earnings. Okay, I didn't only use my address, I used my address and my friend's address to increase my chance of earning more. That was how I was able to cash out $121 for this website. Like I said earlier, you can change your location, that is certain. Maybe you can change the internet you have in house, maybe that is certain, but your IP address, you can always change that. Let me say this, if you're not living with your girlfriend or your boyfriend, you can store it on his phone, and whenever he's away from you, your account will also be maximizing. Alright, at that point, you have 2 different addresses. So the more different address you have, the more money that you're going to make at the end of the month. That's how it works. Alright, if you watch this video to this point, it means that you are not the lazy type. Even if I said the lazy type at the beginning of this video, but if you watch it to this point, it means that you're not the lazy type. So if you're looking for more ways to make money online, subscribe to this channel so that whenever I drop a new video, you always be the first person. And also, this video right here on the screen is going to show you another simple method of making money online. Make sure to check it out. Until next time, we will drop another video again. Peace out. Cheers.